In this video, we're going to be talking about the Apple Airtags, quite possibly the most practical item that you can buy at the Apple Store right now. And for a lot of you guys who stay through the end of this video, I promise to have a special treat for you. So definitely stay through the end. All right, let's do it. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN. On this channel we talk tech. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to stay up to date when I drop new videos every week. All right, now with that said, let's get on with the video. So recently I actually bought the Apple Airtags at the Apple Store over the weekend, and I'm so happy I bought the Apple Airtags. Not because I like to spend money, not because I lose things, but because I actually believe that this item is the most practical, most inexpensive thing that you can buy at the Apple Store that is multi-purpose. Now, for a lot of you guys who don't know what the Apple Airtags are, they're basically Bluetooth trackers that you can, put on your dog, you could put on your bag, you could put on, anything that you could attach it to. Now, two of the common things that people will put them in is probably going to be your wallet or your keychain. Right now, I have it attached to my keychain, and I feel like for $29, I get that peace of mind. The Apple Airtags themselves, what's really cool about them is the fact that they're so small. Now, the Apple Airtags themselves are IPS67 water resistant. The other cool thing about the Apple Airtags is the way it works. Let's talk about the setup first. Setting up the Apple Airtags is as simple as flipping on your Bluetooth. You just want to make sure that your software is up to date, and the next thing is to simply keep it close to your iPhone. From there on, the prompt itself, it's simple. It's going to ask you to identify what the item is, and that's kind of the beauty with Apple products, in my opinion. I haven't had too many products that I've lost, but again, pairing is easy. They're super inexpensive. You can buy as many as you like, for $29. And oh, by the way, Apple does sell the 4-pack for $99, which is even better. So far, I have been very happy with them. I can't say enough good things about them, and that's why I wanted to come on and do a review on them. I just think that you can't beat them. You know what I mean? Like, too often you lose something or you misplace it, and the aggravation and the stress and the time and all of the above that goes into it creep in. And I think for $29, that's a no-brainer in my opinion. So that's pretty much the video, guys. I don't know if you guys have the Apple Airtags. If you do have them, I would love to hear your comments down below, or if you're considering them, I would love to hear your comments down below. And to close out the video, and to commemorate my 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 3 Apple Airtags to 3 of my subscribers. Obviously, I'm not balling, but I just wanted to give away 3 just to thank you guys for subscribing. Right now, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. My new goal right now is 10,000 subscribers. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, as it helps me and it helps the channel grow to where I'd like it to go. But I also wanted to give a big shout out to my friends over at Fishskyn for providing me one of the best skins. To this day, I have their skin. I can't say enough good things about them. If you are interested in buying a device skin, definitely check them out. And I also wanted to give a big shout out over to my friends over at Masshole Donuts. Best donuts ever. And that's the video, guys. Again, thank you guys for watching as always. Please leave your comments down below. And until my next video, peace.